espresso my husband bought me. So this is Nespresso Berto Pop Plus in a silver hardware. And I'm gonna arrange it now. That's the setup of my Nespresso machine. And then na-rinse ko na siya. And then here, I have the Nespresso cup. I think this is large. Yep. And then I have the capsule. What else? It comes with the machine. And then this one is the Berto Double Espresso Chiaro. The other one is Double Espresso Dolce. This one is a freebies also. So these are the previous and this one. We went also to IKEA and we buy this cover for our microwave. And the steamer. I get this one kasi organic siya. I'm gonna put siopaw and siomai and everything that's gonna be steamed. So it made from bamboo. We are in Bern now. We will report our marriage here in Philippine Embassy. Hello. Hello po. There's one Filipina that siguro galing siya sa Philippine Embassy. And she say, hello. So nice of her. Good one? Which one? This one. This one is the Philippine Embassy.
Yeah, I parked and I moved my truck.
Ah, okay.
And then comes the police.
Oh, yeah. Here, we have traveled with our espresso machine. It's blinking. We are so stressed. And my husband is stressed. Even if it's my machine. This is our coffee machine. So, mainit pa nga siya. Siguro nga may electric something talaga siya. Problem with the electric. And ipapack ko lang siya. Maybe pati yung mga manual ilalagay ko ulit. And yeah, tomorrow we gonna bring it back.
No.
Cheesecake today because I was craving for cheesecake, and let's do it. I am so proud of myself. I baked my cheesecake. This is the first time that nag-bake ako ng cake, and among all the cakes in the entire world, cheesecake is my favorite cake. I can eat cheesecake every day. Cool down ko lang siya and then i-ref ko siya for overnight. And then tomorrow, malalaman natin kung masarap ba siya.
Yeah, what the stuff?
Luzern City, like the city proper, and we are here sa park nila and super nice here. Yan. It's so nice and look at the lake. And here's my husband. Hello? 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 Sag hello.
Hello.
It's so nice to live here. And look at the view sa likod ko. I think ano sila, apartment or house. Hindi ko lang sure. Pero feeling ko houses siya. Sabay, and I am just making our meal plan. So it's very late, alas 8 na ng gabi. Saka pa lang ako nagluluto ng meal namin for the whole week. This is adobo, and this one is for munggo, and pakukuluan ko lang siya. This is Steven's favorite chicken honey garlic, and also the adobo and the munggo. So takpan ko lang siya nito. I will eat dinner And lalagyan ko siya ng chicharon. Kain. I don't know kung magugustuhan ni Steven, pero wala siyang choice. Naluto ko na. Okay, tama na yung chika. Magtututbrush na lang ako and magsi-skincare. And hihintayin ko na lang yung sinain ko. And matutulog na ako. Pagod na pagod ako ngayon. Masakit yung paa ko. Good night, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Till my next vlog. Bye! 'Cause